Good morning. Yeah. Today's topic is thermal properties and matter. Thermal properties and matter. See, in the second PU, ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು electrical properties of the matter. ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರ ನೀವು electrical properties of matter. ಏನು ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ? Charges ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ, field ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ, magnetic field ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ, electric field ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ, dipole ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ. In the same way, thermal, the name itself says ಏನು? Heat and temperature. The name itself says a what? Heat and temperature. Number one word. Heat. Generally representation H or capital Q. Generally representation is what? H or capital Q. Most of the ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Q ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Heat energy ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Q. So what is the heat? What is the heat? Heat is a form of energy. It is a form of what? Energy. Generally it flows from high temperature to what? Low temperature. Like the charge flows from high potential to low potential. Charge flows from what? High potential to low potential. When a potential difference is applied across the end of the conductor. When the potential difference is applied across the end of the conductor. In the same way, take any conductor Q1, Q2. If a Q1 is greater than Q2, or you can just say T1, T2. T1 is greater than T2. There will be a flow of heat. There will be a flow of heat. So you can visualize, if I consider generally from water flows from your syntax to your bathroom, kitchen, everywhere, from high potential energy to low potential energy in the pipes. You can imagine. So now question is, sir, how the heat energy flows inside? Can you just open it and see how heat energy flows? Suppose, assume that this is a metallic conductor. Assume that this is a metallic conductor. You start heating it by one end. You start heating it by one end. What happens? No, as the time passes, this end you are feeling more temperature. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಸೌಟ್ನ ಏನೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ವಾಟ್? ಮೋರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಮೋರ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೈ ಸುಡುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ when I supplying an energy from this end in the form of a heat, how it is transferred to this? What is the media for it? It is particles. It is a what? Particles. When I supply a energy to the conductor, there will be the particle atoms, whatever you might call. They start what? Vibrating. They start what? They start what? With the vibrating, they gain what? More kinetic energy. With the vibrating, they start what? More kinetic energy. This part vibrating fast, this part vibrating fast. This is transformed like this. Understood or not? For example, take two containers. One with a temperature T1. Atoms are vibrating with kinetic some energy. Another one with what? Temperature T2. T1 is greater than what? T2. If I pour this to here, or if I pour this to here, right? There is a two-state of vibration. There is a two-state of what? Vibration. One which is vibrating with more energy, that transfers the energy with the less energy. Yes? The one which is vibrating with what? Less energy. So your heat is transferring with the particles. With the particles, basic particles, atoms, ions, whatever. They carries the vibration energy to the another extent. For example, ಹೇಗೆ sir, how do you interpret it? ಒಂದು ಕಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ವಾಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ? ವಾಟರ್. ಈಗ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಬಿಸಿನೀರು ಕುಡೀರಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಬಿಸಿನೀರು ಕುಡೀರಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಅದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟವ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಬಲ್ ಥರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಯುವರ್ H2O particles are started vibrating. Okay, your H2O particle ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Start vibrating. ನೋಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ? When it comes to 100 degrees Celsius, vibration is a more? ಬಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? The same water calms down. The same water calms down when it is at a normal temperature, right? when you give the energy, supply energy by gas stove, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ water molecule start vibrating. Yes or no? More the vibration, more will be the kinetic energy. More the vibration, more will be the what? Kinetic energy. More the kinetic energy, more will be the heat energy. More will be the what? Heat energy. Understood or not? Understood or not? How the heat flows? Heat flows from high temperature to low temperature. High temperature to low temperature. Next word is temperature. What does temperature? Temperature is a scale used to measure the state of energy, what it is. State of energy, what it is. Now corona ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು Fahrenheit scale ನ they will keep it into your mouth, right? They will check the body temperature. If it is 96 or less than 97, you are normal state. You are in a what?
Normal state.
So greater than 100 degree Fahrenheit, then you are in a what? Fever condition. In a what? Fever condition. That indicates what? Your temperature indicating the what? State of energy. With what state you are, right? Yes or no? With a higher energy state or a lower energy state? With a higher temperature or the more energy stored or the less energy stored. Understood or not? What the clarity or not? Temperature is the measuring scale. Measure of what? Heat. Measure of what? It measures the what? Heat. Now, it was evolved in the 17th and 18th century. It is evolved in the what? 17th and 18th century. So there are four different scales. Generally, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, Kelvin scale, and Reaumur scale. Reaumur scale. One by one. We will study one by one. Number one, Kelvin. Mostly used for all your calculation is what? Kelvin. Next, Celsius. Next what? Third one, yadu? Fahrenheit scale. Fourth one, Reaumur scale. Reaumur scale. Kelvin, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Reaumur. There are four different ways to measure what? Temperature of the body or the energy state of the body. We go on learning one by one. So, ಏನೇನು ಕಲಿತ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ? What is a heat? Thermal properties of a matter start with what? Heat and temperature. Heat denoted by Q. Heat is denoted by Q. So Q1, Q2. Q1 must be greater than Q2. T1 must be greater than T2. Our heat flow will be like this. It's a direction of a flow. It's a direction of a what? Flow. Then heat is a scalar or vector? It is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Like potential is a what? Scalar. Potential is a in the same way heat energy is a what? Scalar. Heat energy is a what? Energy is a what? Scalar. Energy is the work done. Energy is the what? Work done. Got the clarity? Okay, we'll study one by one in detail. So I will put it all the four in the board. Number one, Celsius. Number two, Fahrenheit. Number three, Kelvin. Number four, Reaumur. Reaumur scale. Reaumur scale. Each one has a lower limit and what? Upper limit, or you can just say lower fixed point and upper fixed point. Since I am a mathematics fellow, I say lower limit and upper limit. So what is the upper limit for Celsius? 100 degrees Celsius. Upper fixed scale. That is what? Upper fixed point. Upper fixed point, and lower fixed point is what? 0 degrees Celsius. If you take any thermometer, measure ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ thermometer. How many divisions? 100 divisions. How many divisions? 100 divisions. Take the Fahrenheit. Upper limit is 200 and 212. 200 and what? 12. Lower limit 32. Lower limit what? 32 degree Fahrenheit. So how many divisions here? 180 divisions. How many divisions? 180 divisions. Here what? 100 divisions. Here what? 100 divisions. Kelvin scale upper limit 373.15. 373.15. Generally we use it what? 373. Generally we use it what? 373. Lower limit 273.15. Lower fixed point. Lower fixed point. So how many divisions here? How many divisions? 100 divisions. In the same way, rehumors, upper one is the 80 degree arc, lower one is the 0 degree arc. Lower one is the what? 0 degree arc. How many divisions here? How many divisions? 80 divisions. Here 100 divisions. Here 180 divisions. Here 100 divisions. Now I want to test the temperature of any solution or any particular thing. I immerse the thermometer in it. It measures some Celsius point here. It measures what? Some Celsius point here, some Fahrenheit point here, some Kelvin point here, some rehumors point here. I am going to say R, right? Yes or no? Same four solution in a 4 different states. Okay, or 4 solution in the same state. In the first one I immersed what? Celsius. Second one, third one, fourth, rehumors. Right? All the 4 will give certain C value, F value, K value, and what? R value. How they are related? How they are related? How they are what? Related. So if in general, if S is the, let me take S or X. Arey bolo, you are comfortable with S or X? I know you are comfortable with the X. हाँ? बाद याद आता है X. You know, X जोते comfortable इधर याद करते तो जीवना. If X is the reading of any thermometer scale, then X, what is the lower limit? What is the lower limit? I can just say L, or U minus L is constant, is equal to what? Constant is equal to what? X minus L by U minus L. So upper fixed limit, lower fixed limit, X minus L is equal to constant. Now the question running in your mind is how this formula came. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನ, ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಪ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಹೇಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ? ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬರ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟರದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 0 by what? 100 minus 0. F minus lower limit is what? 32. 212 minus what? 32. Next, Kelvin, K minus 273. 273 point is not required. 373 minus 273. R minus 0 by what? 80 minus 0 by what? 80 minus 0, because this is also equal to constant. This is all the 4 are equal to what? Constant. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, let me repeat before erase. Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, Kelvin scale, and what? Rehumors scale. Lower limit 0, 32, 273, and what? 0 R. Here 100, 212, 373. 80. 273 and 80. How many divisions? 100. Here 180. Here 100. There 80. Understood or not? So if randomly picked points C, F, K, R, how they are related? X minus L by U minus L is equal to what? Constant. Okay. Let me erase this. Then let me bring the what? Let me bring the what? Equation, relation. So now from here, C by 100, C by what? 100. F minus 32 by 180, F minus 32 by what? 180 division difference. It is K minus 273 by what? 100. Then R by 80. Generally ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Okay, sorry. Let me read it. C minus 0 by 100, F minus 32 by 180, K minus 273 by 100, R by 80. R by what? C minus 0 is what? C. Okay. Now generally ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ C to F. ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ? This is easy. This is easy or not? See x minus L by U minus L. X minus L by. So now I want a formula between this. Now I want a formula between this. C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180. F minus 32 by 180. So 25 are 29 are 25 are 20. C by 5 is equal to what? F minus 32 by 9. Yes or no? Yes or no? So to make it more simple for all, 25s are 29s are 25s are 24s are. Can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? So F minus 32, K minus 273 by what? 5, R by 4. Okay? Okay? Shall I erase? Shall I erase? I will teach how it came. Okay? It's mathematics. Now, listen here. Now listen here. Okay? Take this one. C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Yes or no? So any Celsius is given converted into what? Fahrenheit. Any Fahrenheit is given converted into what? Celsius. So now this to here. C by 5. C by 5 is equal to K minus 273 by 5. 5 cancel. 5 what?
Cancel.
Celsius is equal to what? K minus 273. K minus
273.
or Kelvin is equal to C plus what? 273. C plus what?
273.
So 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. 0 degree Celsius is equal to what? 273. So the lowest temperature is a what? Minus 273 degree Celsius. Minus 273 degree Celsius. In the same way in the Kelvin, lowest temperature in the Kelvin minus 273 plus 273 is a what? 0 Kelvin. 0
Kelvin.
0. In the Kelvin ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Lowest temperature ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? Lowest temperature ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? Minus 273 plus 273 becomes what? 0 Kelvin. Understood or not? Understood the transformation? Don't add 5 by 9, 9 by 5. Their results always confusing ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. X minus L by U minus L. U minus L gives the what number of divisions? Yes or no? For Celsius and Kelvin, number of divisions 100. Fahrenheit,
180.
remember 80 denominator value you know, right? X minus X is a what? C. C minus lower limit, F minus lower limit, R minus lower limit, K minus. Easy? Easy or not? Okay, fine. So now the job is ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? X minus L by U minus L. This one, how do you get the approach? This one, how do you get the what? approach. Now, everybody okay with this? Shall I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See. Let me consider a graph. Let me consider a what? Graph. Let me consider a what? Graph. So I have written here C minus 0 by what? 100 minus 0 is equal to what? F minus 32 by what? 212 minus what? 32. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How I written this? X minus L by what? U minus L is the what? Constant. So is it looking like your slope of a straight line? Difference between the x quantity and difference between the what? Y quantity? Difference between the x quantity and difference between the what? Y quantity. Yes or no? So ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ graph between Fahrenheit scale, graph between the Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale, graph between the what? Fahrenheit scale and oh, simple. Don't by heart it. Don't by heart it and don't do by the formula. Just simple thing. When it is a 0 degree Celsius lower point, where will be the F? 32. Where will be the F?
32.
When C is a 0, when C is a 0, where will be the F?
32.
Somewhere 32. I got the first point. I got the what?
First point.
What is the first point? This point is a what? Celsius 0 and lower limit is what? 32. Second one, when C is a 100, when C is a what?
100.
Where will be the F? 212. Where will be the F?
212.
So coinciding point. Let's go up. Let's go up. This will meet here. This will what? Meet here. Yes or no? Yes or no? This will meet here. I got 2 points. I got 2 points. 2 points can construct what? Straight line. 2 points can construct what?
Straight line.
This is the equation. This is a graph. If I extend it, it will meet at a point. At a point where x is what? 0 degree Celsius. Where x is a what?
0 degrees.
Where x is a what?
0 degrees.
What will happen to the Fahrenheit? What will happen to the what? Fahrenheit. We can calculate or not by this relation. By this relation, yes or no? This point is indicating what? X-intercept. This point is indicating what? What is the y-intercept? 32. What is the y-intercept?
32.
So add x is equal to 0 degree Celsius and x is equal to what?
0 degrees.
So what we know? C by 5 is equal to what? F minus 32 by 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Just now we have solved it, right?
Yes, sir.
C equal to what? 0 by 5 is equal to what? F minus 32 by what? 9. When x is 0, so what is the coordinate? 32. Now what is there? F is 0, not x is 0. When x is 0, look here. This comes here 0 into 9 is equal to what? F minus 32. F is equal to what? 32 degree Fahrenheit. Yes or no? What does this indicate? This is a point where your x coordinate, if you say generally x and y ಅಂತ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, x is ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 degree Celsius. I got F is equal to what? 32. Now here what coordinate is 0? Your Fahrenheit is 0.
Yes, sir.
Your Fahrenheit is what? 0. Add F is equal to 0 degree Fahrenheit. What is the value of what? Celsius scale. What is the value of what?
Celsius.
So what we know the formula? C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. So C by 5 is equal to 0 minus 32 by 9. So minus 32 by 9 is equal to what? C by 5 is equal to minus 32 by 9. C is equal to minus 32 into 5 by 9. 10, 160 by 9 minus 160 by what? 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. 9 let divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are what?
9.
How much is remain? 7, 17. 17. Huh? 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are what? How much is remain? 17. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are yes or no? 9 ones are 9. 7 remain 70. 9 sevens are 63. Again 7 remains 17.77 degree Celsius. Generally ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ Fahrenheit and Celsius ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು what is the coordinates of this point? What is the coordinates of this point? What is the coordinate? Minus 17.77 comma 0. Understood? Understood. Now you take any random point. You take what? Can I take it here? Can I take it here? This is a what? C. This is a what? F. This is a what? Yes or no? Yes or no? I can construct a triangle. I can construct a what? One is this triangle, another one is the bigger triangle, smaller triangle, and the what? And the what? Bigger triangle. Okay? Right? Yes or no? Yes or no? What is the slope? Angle is same. For this and this angle is a what?
Same.
Slope will be what? Same. What is the slope? Difference in the y by what? Difference in the x. Difference in the y by. So I will say it is delta small y by delta small x. Here delta capital Y by delta capital X. Okay, both will be what? Same. So let me put it like this: delta x by delta chota y, delta capital by what? Delta capital X. Sorry, reverse. Delta chota y by what? Delta small x. Yes or no? What is the delta y? Difference in the upper limit. What is the upper limit here? F. What is the lower limit here? 32. So I can write it as what? F minus 32. What is the delta x? C. C and what? 0. C minus what? 0. Here delta y. Here what? Delta y. Upper limit 212. Upper limit what? Lower limit 32. So I can write what? 212 minus what? 32. Here this one upper limit 100. Hey, upper limit 100. Lower limit 0. So if I rewrite it, f minus 32 by what? 212 minus 32. C minus 0 by what? 100 minus S or no, which is nothing but x minus L by u minus L. X minus L by u minus L. ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ? What all you learnt in this overall half an hour topic? First, thermal property ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, heat and temperature. Heat and temperature ನ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಂದ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Celsius, Kelvin, Fahrenheit and Reaumurs, right? How many divisions in Celsius? 100. Fahrenheit, Reaumur 80. Kelvin 100. How the relation works? X minus L by U minus L is a constant and interrelated. And what? Interrelated. How it is arrived? Using what? Mathematics. Using what? Mathematics. Slope. Slope. Next ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Just change in the Celsius and change in the Fahrenheit ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? Change in the what? Celsius and the change in the what? Fahrenheit. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಗ್ರಾಫ್? ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಗ್ರಾಫ್? Now my point is, look here. Fahrenheit to Celsius graph is like this. Okay, Fahrenheit to what? Celsius. How was the graph? Like this? Like this? Now change ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ ನಾನೀಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Celsius to what? Fahrenheit. Celsius to what? Same. C0. C0. Here C is a what? 0. F is a what? 32. 1 point. C is a 100. C is a what? 100. F is a what? 212. F is a what? 212. Both will somewhere meet here. Both will somewhere meet here. A is equal to what? X is a 32. Y is a 0. X is a 2 and 12. Y is a what? 100. That is the reason I repeatedly tell, for a NEET your mathematics must be strong. Join the line. Join the what? At this point what? Again C is a what? Again what? At this point, what is the value of C? Minus 17. Sorry, F is a what? F is a what? 0. Minus 17.77 degree Celsius. ಎರಡು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತ. F to C like this. C to F like this. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ? ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರೈಟ್? C0 F32. C0
F32.
or else let me make it very simple wherever it is. First if I take ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, F ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, make 2 points. One is a 32, another one is a what? 212. C 0 and 100. Obviously 0 here. Obviously what? 100. So coinciding lower limit 0 and what? 32, 0 and 32 here. 100 and 212. Here join it. Simple. Join it. Simple. Here also chota wala F and what? C, F and what?
C.
0, 100. 0,
100.
32, 212. 32,
212.
0 coincides with what? 32, 100 and what? 212. So if you take it like this, the graph will be like this. Graph will be like this. This you know it, when F is 0, your Celsius will be what? 17.77. Here also minus 17.77 into what? 0. Understood or not? ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ ಗ್ರಾಫ್? ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಇದು ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ ವಾಟ್? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, now look here. What we have written? C by 5. Remember, C by
5.
F minus 32 by
9.
K minus 273 by
5.
5. Very good. R minus 0 is R. This is 4, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a mathematics. For physics, क्या चाहिए? Physics ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? Which is the king? Mathematics. Okay. So change. I can just differentiate. The numerator. Becomes what? Delta C by what? 5. Delta C by
5.
F will become 32 becomes constant differentiation is a what?
0.
Delta K by 5.
Yes, sir.
Delta R by
4.
simple C question. If there is a change of temperature in Celsius scale is by 4 degrees Celsius. If there is a what? Change of temperature in Celsius scale is by 4 degree Celsius, then what is the change in temperature? What is the change in temperature in Fahrenheit scale? In what? Fahrenheit scale. So what is the formula? Delta C, right? Delta C by 5 is equal to what? Delta F by 9. What is that? Is 4 by 5. Which is delta F by 9. So delta F is equal to 4 into 9 by 5. That is 36 by 5. 7.2 na? 7.2? 5 sevens are 35. 1 remains. 5 twos are what? 10. What the clarity? So NN Kaltri relation is very very important. This relation is very very important because he uses the word what? Change. He uses the word change. He uses the what? Change. Understood or not? Are they in the order? C, F, K, R. C, F alphabetic order. C, F, K, R. What do you remember? 59, 54. 59, 59, C, F, K, R. C, F, K, R. 59, 54. Easy relation. In the place of delta C, what do you write? C minus 0, F minus 32, K minus 273, R minus 0. Simple transformation. ಭಾಳ ಸಾರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀಟ್ಗೆ, ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀಟ್ಗೆ. ನೀಟ್ಗೆ questions will be two. How many questions? Two questions. CET definitely also what? Two questions. ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ 19 ಮತ್ತೆ 20 ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋಂಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PU ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್. ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಲಿಟಲ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ? ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.